is like a spectator. It's so nice to see them. I'm really impressed how good they are. Physical, strong. The fullbacks play like a wingers. The wingers play like attacking midfielders. The two strikers, fighters, and in the box, Falcao, Germain. They are killers in the box. So both holding midfielders, Fabinho, Bakayoko, they are intelligent, physical, strong. They arrive to the box. Complete team. So it's the most successful team in Europe in terms to score goals. So tough draw. Looking forward to play against them. How is our level? So just compliment because they are a real good team.